How to fix add music to status not showing on WhatsApp in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store. In App Store, search here WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp. Now here you can check your WhatsApp update. If your WhatsApp have any update, then update your WhatsApp. After update your WhatsApp, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and click on general. After clicking on general, then click on iPhone storage and then scroll down and click on WhatsApp. Now here you can offload your WhatsApp app and reinstall it. After offload your WhatsApp app and reinstall it, after doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.